we are learning how to design a nav bar, navigation bar. So the first thing we are going to put is our header. So everything we are going to do is going to be inside of this header. Now the header, we are going to have three sections of the header. The first is going to be the logo. Here we are going to put the logo. So we are going to create a div that is going to contain the logo. Alright, so inside of the logo we are going to be using the H1. Let's say the logo, our logo is further complex, right? Something like that. Alright, so the next thing we are going to create is where we are going to put the nav links. Okay, so we are going to use a nav tag for that. Alright, so after this we are going to put a button so that if somebody wants to sign up on our website or log into our website, the person can be able to click, and that we are going to do using let's put a div that we're going to give a class but. Alright, so inside of this we're going to be putting button, and the first button we are going to put sign up, then let's duplicate this, and here we'll have sign in. Okay, so inside of the nav links, here we are going to use let's use on ordered list. Inside of this we are going to be using list items, right? So the first is going to, okay, let's use an anchor tag so that it will have a href, where the href will be the destination of the link. If you click on the link, it will take you to where you have linked. So in between it we are going to be having our first, which is home, then we can have about us. So you're not talking, are you sure you're playing what I'm doing? Then let's say we have log. So this is just simple HTML, but before that let's view it on our browser and see. Okay, so this is what we have. So we've been able to, okay, let me put this by the side here. Let me put it here. We can design alongside with this one. So let's go and work on our styles. So here we are going to set our browser. Let's use margin. We're going to set our margin to 0. We can also set our padding to 0 px as well. Let's our box sizing should be border post. Okay. So after this we want to talk to our header. Let's call our header. So we want to make sure that everything in the header is flex, so we are going to use display flex. So you can see now everything has been flexed. Well, let's arrange it properly. Okay, this way. This thing, why I do like this? Let me capture this side. Anyway, let's continue. So we are going to do justify content, so that will bring it to the center. Then we'll also align the items to come to the center as well. So let's see if it's working. So it's working, right? So since we've succeeded in bringing them to the center, let's use let's add a gap of say 2 run. Alright, so if you can see this very well, we have 3 items inside of this header. This is the first, the second, and the third. So this nav links, now we are going to work on them so that they will look like the rest. So let's go to the nav. Remember the nav link, we put them inside the nav, right? So we are going to talk to the UL. We are going to talk to the UL. Okay, let's talk to the A tag that is inside of them and say, or rather, let's flex this first. So let's display it to flex. Talk to the UL as the container tag we have here. Alright, so let's separate them. Let's just put them up to level as well. Right, so this is what we have. So the H1, let's change the color of the H1. Give it one to be so we are not going to style the button. This is just to show you how to put up a nav bar and you can work with it. So let's also do this. Let's give them color too. You can see how we are able to put up a logo and a clickable link. So if you click here, you're going to home. So this is basically how to put the nav back. So we'll do more when we get to CSS. So for now, I hope it plans out. Did you understand? Yes, you do. Thank you very much. See you in our next class.